Hey folks, this is Professor Smartycorn, and I'm going to show you how to use some of the basic drawing tools in Google Slides if you wanted to make a scientific diagram for your chemistry class. Maybe make a Bohr diagram or a Lewis dot diagram or a water molecule. All right, so let's get rid of this stuff. Delete these. Here we go. Got a nice blank canvas here. If you want to make a perfect circle, you'll want to hold the Shift key while you stretch out your circle shape, and then that will make it a perfect circle instead of an oval. You can change the width of the border on your circle like that. You can change the background color of your circle like that. There you got a nice circle. If you click in there and just start typing, you can add some words right into your perfect circle. You can center them. You can change the size of the font. Ooh, too big. Okay, so that's how you might make a nice perfect circle. If you wanted to make a perfect square, again, hold the Shift key and you'll get a perfect square instead of a rectangle shape. Okay, if you wanted to make a partial arc or a curved line, maybe for an orbit of an atom where some electrons might be, you're going to want to use this arc tool right here. And again, you can hold the Shift key when you draw with it. Oh, nothing happened. I unselected it. Choose the arc tool, hold the Shift key, and you'll get a perfect 1/4 of a circle. And then you could increase the width of the line. Heck, you could make it a different color. Didn't make it much of a different color. Let's make it something more interesting. There we go. And let's see, I could duplicate this by holding the Control key and moving it to a new location. I held the Control key and moved it to a new location. I have a bunch of these. I can grab this right here and I can rotate these. Rotate this right around. Or I could drag these little yellow control handles and I could slide them around to just get an arc that fills a different portion of the circle. And if you want to delete anything, you can just select it and hit the delete button. Or if you really like menus, you can go to the menu and delete things like that. Here's a little trick. If I want to put a label on this arc, as if, let's see, let me get this arc just how I want it. Come on, grab that handle. There we go. If I want to show that maybe there are a couple of electrons living on this orbit, I'll choose my text tool. Okay, put it right there. I want to say there are 4 electrons living here. Bump that font size up. I like to have it centered. That's annoying. I can kind of see the arc through it. If I want to make this look more tidy, all I need to do is fill this with a white color, and then my 4 looks like it's sort of living nice and neatly right on that. Select an object, you can use your arrow keys to move that object around, up and down. So there you go. There are some basic drawing tools that you might find handy in drawing scientific diagrams. Ooh, here's one more. If you don't like the arc tool, if you have trouble with it, you can just use the scribble tool to draw any shapes you want, and the Google Slides tools will smooth them out a little bit for you. So there's a nice curve like that. Heck, you could even draw a nucleus. It's a little lumpy, but it works if you like it. And you can change the border color. I don't think we can fill this shape because maybe I didn't connect the ends. there you go. Some basic drawing tools in Google Slides. Thanks for listening.